won't fit in my garbage. Garbage. Are you garbage, guys? I'm totally gonna be safe at night. It's day 2 and the camper is going out. So I know the hungry deer will spawn. Did it said that the camper goes out? And no, it's alright. It's alright. The fire is going